right, so we already had her on the ground once. I did want to get the tie rod more level with the lower control arm to help with bump steer. So we switched out our bushings here. Done, did that on both sides. I also went 2.5 rounds up to raise the car just a little bit. And then I adjusted here on the front of our upper control arm. That way we can throw a little camber at it to stand the wheel up, but it also helps with caster as well. So I want to put some caster in the car. So we got that set up. I'm gonna snug up these two nuts right here real fast. And we're gonna put the wheel on and we're gonna set the toe. All right, just went out for our first test drive. Wow, night and day. You can see by my piece of tape that I just need to do a little bit of adjusting here on our tie rods. As you can see, to go straight, I have to hold the wheel a little to the right. Marked it with my tape. So that means when I straighten the wheel, I'm just going to need to adjust our tie rods to the right. I'm going to do it equally because we already have our toe set where we like it. Shouldn't take too long at all.